writing the login page methods and checking the like cart count. Now in this method what we are doing is we will write a code to take the screenshot of the failed test cases. Okay, so open your project. Our project is a source lab, and in the base class we have written the base class. In the pages we have different pages. Now we have to go to utility class and we have to write all the methods related to taking the screenshot inside the utility class. Okay, so before that we need to create one folder. Name of the folder will be screenshot. So go to new and create one folder inside our project, and the name of the folder will be screenshot. SHOT. This will be our folder name screenshot, so that it will store all the screenshot of the failed test cases, right? So that is our motto. Okay, now we have created a folder. Now go to utility class and we have to write a method. Okay, first of all in the utility class we have to extend base class, that is our this class, because we need driver in this case as well, in this method as well. So extend with the base class. This is the inheritance operation. Everywhere we are extending this base class. In home in pages like home page, test page, test class, we have extended this, right? Okay, so same way we have to do it here. And we have to create one method, public static void capture screenshot. The method name is capture screenshot, and this is the parameter string name. So what is this, I will explain you after the some time. Okay, after this we have to create one file, like a file source. The source is a variable name and file is a data type. Okay, take screenshot driver dot get screenshot as output type dot file. So this is the method which is fixed. The code of the to take the screenshot is this: take screenshot driver dot get screenshot as output type dot file. So this is the code to take the screenshot. And this is source, and again we have one other code, that is file destination means where we have to store that file. So we have to give the address here. So file dest is equal to new file dot source lab is our project name. So I have given here dot, means it will in the local system it will find automatically address, it will directly go to source lab. This is our project name, source lab. Then slash screenshot is our folder that we have created, screenshot the folder name, slash in the double inverted comma we have used plus here the name. Here name means every time we have different methods that we will execute, right? So on the home page it will the method name will be login. So that login name will come here, because we will come to know that which method is getting failed. So that name, method name is important. So that's why we are using method name. And at the end we are using jpeg. Jpeg is a like a screenshot, the photo type, right? So we will use jpeg. And here this is the complete thing. And after that we have one more like code, a file handler class dot copy is the method, and we have to use source. This is the source, and dest is the final where we have to store. So using this, so what is this error? It is throwing exception. So use add throw declaration and give here as an exception. Okay, so that the it will go away. And now you see the code is correct, right? Here what we have to do is we have to update the destination with like in the system how it looks like, users, then my folder name, then eclipse workspace, then in the source lab this is our project, and inside the source lab we have screenshot, right? And then we have to pass this name. So that name will be method name that will come from the like a login page test, right? So where the test case gets filled, that test case name will come here and will be here, and then .jpeg, and that will be saved, like test case name .jpeg will be stored inside the screenshot, right? So this is the small update here. And then go to the login page test, and we have to call this method utility class. This is your utility class dot capture screenshot, and we have to pass result dot get name. Get name will be the method name, So the test case the method that is failing, the method name will come here, and which will be stored inside the screenshot, right? And we have given in the if condition is like when the I test result dot failure is equal to result dot get status. So when the status is fail, then the condition will satisfy and then it will take the screenshot. So this is the complete thing. And now let's I have already modified it to the failure. So now let's execute the code and check whether it should take the screenshot now, because I have modified the changes. And yeah, it will execute now. And it opened the inventory page. Yeah, it failed. Okay, we have run one, we have passed 0 and failure as a 1, right? So this is the failure. And now let's refresh this folder, screenshot folder, and it will show, yeah, this is the verify login test. This is the verify login test which got failed because we have added here extra 0, right? So that is the reason this got failed. And open this for screenshot, we will come to know like on which page it got failed. So it failed on the inventory page, right? So this is all about taking the screenshot and storing inside this project and in the folder. Yeah, that is it. Thank you.